Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Partner company. Today I'm here with an amazing question. So let's move on to the question I have today. And the question is Google Ads grant CTR is below 5%. Grant account help I manage my company's Google Ad grant. I know CTR needs to stay above 5% to stay active. The CTR has plummeted for November. CTR was 4.66%. This is a drop from close to 10% the previous month. So far December is not looking better, but actually was 3.89%. I know there is a CTR requirement of 5% to stay compliant. And I risk of losing the grant is the monthly 5% requirement calculated by calendar month. I'm not well versed in ads and have no background. I'm stumbling my way through this and learning as I go. Feel lost trying to manage this account with no support. For those who don't know, Google Ads grants accounts are for non-profit NGO companies that Google actually do not charge it, and they provide you with ample amount of per month spending. Usually, it's between $10,000 to 12,000 per month, and you can only run your search ads. Now, unfortunately, this CTR is actually true, and 5% requirement is calculated by calendar month, so you have to do compliance. So when your CTR is going below, there is a few things which you can do is, and first of all, you can do for your brand bidding. For instance, if your brand is known as ASP security, so target those keywords. Okay, what happens is people are searching for these keywords and they are most likely to click on your ad because this will directly land to ASAP security website. So just to let you know that this can increase your CTR. So a good way is to brand bidding. Now because our target is to CTR, and second thing is you can evaluate over here. You can simply go to your search terms or your search keyword report and see. Let's say this is a search term report for one of our clients. You can see over here the CTRs over here, and based on this data you can remove those keywords which are having low CTR. Or go to your campaigns, go to your ads, and go to your keywords, and then you can look around simply sort by CTR and see which keywords have less CTR, and just simply pose it to maintain your CTR and get back it. Once you get the good CTR, you can ads back again. So this is a quick guide for this. Now this may not valid on other cases, but this is specifically for Google Ads account, so ad grant account. So I hope you like this video, but in case if you want a detailed Google Ads audit, Google Ads grant audit setup or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.